Welcome to my channel Vishruti tutorial. Today's topic is First in India. तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. The first Prime Minister of India. Answer पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू. Question number 2. The first President of India. Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 3. The first Home Minister of India. Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 4. The first Governor General of Free India. Answer Lord Mountbatten. Question number 5. The first and last Indian to be a Governor General of Free India. Answer C. Rajagopalachari. Question number 6. The first Muslim President of India. Answer Dr. Zakir Hussain. Question number 7. The first British Governor General of India. Answer Lord William Bentinck. Question number 8. The first Prime Minister of India who did not face Parliament. Answer Charan Singh. Question number 9. The first Vice President of India. Answer Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Question number 10. The first President of Indian National Congress. Answer W.C. Banerjee. Question number 11. The first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 12. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha. Answer Ganesh Vasudeva Mavalankar. Question number 13. The first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term. Answer Morarji Desai. Question number 14. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics. Answer C.V. Raman. Question number 15. The first British to visit India. Answer John Mildenhall. Question number 16. The first Election Commissioner of India. Answer Sukumar Sen. Question number 17. The first Chinese pilgrim to visit India. Answer Faxian. Question number 18. The first nuclear center. Answer Tarapur. Question number 19. The first Indian pilot. Answer J.R.D. Tata. Question number 20. The first University of India. Answer Nalanda University. Question number 21. The first aircraft carrier Indian ship. Answer INS Vikrant. Question number 22. The first Indian who reached South Pole. Answer I.K. Bajaj. Question number 23. The first Indian missile. Answer Prithvi. Question number 24. The first recipient of Oscar Award. Answer Bhanu Athiya. Question number 25. The first Chief of Naval Staff of India. Answer Vice Admiral R.D. Khattari. Question number 26. The first Indian to win Nobel Prize. Answer Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 27. The first person to get Paramveer Chakra. Answer Major Somnath Sharma. Question number 28. The first Indian to go into space. Answer LDR Rakesh Sharma. Question number 29. The first Indian president to die in office. Answer Dr. Zakir Hussain. Question number 30. The first Indian who won Billiards Trophy. Answer Wilson Jones. Question number 31. Name the first Indian to win Magsaysay Award. Answer Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Question number 32. The first scientist of India to get Nobel Prize in Economics. Answer Dr. Amartya Sen. Question number 33. The first Indian submarine. Answer INS Kalvari. Question number 34. The first Indian to get Bharat Ratna award. Answer Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Question number 35. The first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine. Answer Hargovinda Khurana. Question number 36. The first Muslim president of Indian National Congress. Answer Baharuddin Tayabji. Question number 37. The first British Viceroy of India. Answer Lord Canning. Question number 38. The first Indian to join the ICS. Answer Satyendranath Tagore. Question number 39. The first man who introduced printing press in India. Answer James Hickey. Question number 40. The first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India. Answer General K.M. Kariyappa. Question number 41. The first Indian member of the Viceroys Executive Council. Answer Satyendra Prasanna Sinha. Question number 42. The first sportsperson to receive Bharat Ratna award. Answer Sachin Tendulkar. Question number 43. The first cricketer to get Padma Bhushan award. Answer C.K. Naidu. Question number 44. The first Indian to get the Grammy award. Answer Pandit Ravi Shankar. Question number 45. The first Indian to score triple century in Test cricket. Answer Virendra Sehwag. Question number 46. The first Indian to cross English Channel. Answer Mihir Sen. Question number 47. The first person to receive Jnanapith Award. Answer Sri Shankar Kurup. Question number 48. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha. Answer Ganesh Vasudeva Malvankar. Question number 49. The first Education Minister. Answer Abdul Kalam Azad. Question number 50. The first Judge of International Court of Justice. Answer Dr. Rajendra Sinha. Question number 51. The first Indian Air Chief Marshal. Answer Subroto Mukherjee. Question number 52. The first person to receive Stalin Prize. Answer Saifuddin Kichlu. Question number 53. The first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen. Answer Sherpa Anga Dorji. Question number 54. The first Indian Air Staff. Answer Air Marshal Sir Thomas Elmhirst. Question number 55. The first person to resign from the Central Cabinet. Answer Shyam Prasad Mukherjee. Question number 56. The first Governor of Reserve Bank of India. Answer Sir Osborne Smith. Question number 57. The first lady teacher. Answer Savitribai Phule. Question number 58. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Answer Justice Hiral J. Kania. Question number 59. The first wax statue of a living Indian. Answer Mahatma Gandhi ji. Question number 60. The first Indian to win individual Olympic gold. Answer Abhinav Bindra. Question number 61. The first woman Prime Minister. Answer Indira Gandhi. Question number 62. The first woman President. Answer Pratibha Patil. Question number 63. The first woman judge in Supreme Court. Answer Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. Question number 64. The first lady to become Miss World. Answer Rita Faria. Question number 65. The first woman governor of state in Free India. Answer Sarojini Naidu. Question number 66. The first woman speaker of a state assembly. Answer Shano Devi. Question number 67. The first woman chief justice of High Court. Answer Leela Seth. Question number 68. The first woman lawyer. Answer Cornelia Sorabji. Question number 69. The first woman judge. Answer Anna Candid. Question number 70. The first woman president of Indian National Congress. Answer Annie Besant. Question number 71. The first woman ambassador. Answer C.B. Muthamma. Question number 72. The first woman minister in a government. Answer Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Question number 73. The first women graduates. Answer Kadambini Ganguly and Chandramukhi Basu. Question number 74. The first woman honors graduate. Answer Kamini Roy. Question number 75. The first woman to climb Mount Everest. Answer Bachendri Pal. Question number 76. The first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. Answer Santosh Yadav. Question number 77. The first woman airlines pilot. Answer Durga Banerjee, Indian Airlines. Question number 78. The first woman pilot in Indian Air Force. Answer Harit Kaur Dayal. Question number 79. The first woman Olympic medal winner. Answer Karna Malleshwari. Question number 80. The first woman Asian Games gold medal winner. Answer Kamaljeet Sandhu. Question number 81. The first woman chairman of Union Public Service Commission. Answer Rose Million Bitheu. Question number 82. The first woman IPS officer. Answer Kiran Bedi. Question number 83. The first woman chief minister of an Indian state. Answer Sucheta Kriplani. Question number 84. The first woman president of United Nations General Assembly. Answer Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Question number 85. The first woman director general of police. Answer Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. Question number 86. The first woman chairperson of Indian Airlines. Answer Sushma Chawla. Question number 87. The first and the last Muslim woman ruler of India. Answer Razia Sultana. Question number 88. The first woman to receive Bharat Ratna. Answer Indira Gandhi. Question number 89. The first woman to receive Jnanapith Award. Answer Ashapurna Devi. Question number 90. The first woman of Indian astronaut. Answer Kalpana Chawla. Question number 91. The first woman speaker of Lok Sabha. Answer Meera Kumari. Question number 92. The first woman to receive Nobel Prize. Answer Mother Teresa. Question number 93. The first Miss Universe. Answer Sushmita Sen. Question number 94. The first woman to become Chief Election Commissioner of India. Answer V.S. Ramadevi. Question number 95. The first woman to receive Magsaysay Award. Answer Mother Teresa. Question number 96. The first woman to cross English Channel. Answer Aarti Saha. Question number 97. The first woman Air Vice Marshal. Answer Padmavati Bandopadhyaya. Question number 98. The first woman to receive Ashok Chakra. Answer Nirja Bhanot. Question number 99. The first woman to win Booker Prize. Answer Arundhati Roy. Question number 100. The first woman defense minister. Answer Nirmala Sitharaman. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Give a like, comment and share the videos. Thank you for watching.